There are several reasons that could stop your documents from going out in a timely manner, or at least as quickly as you'd like them to. But missing those deadlines could mean lost dollars and lost opportunities for you. So what are the reasons? Well, one reason is because people may not know where to start. They may have an idea, but when they get down to writing on Microsoft Word or whatever processor they use, they see that stupid little blinking cursor and they go, I don't know what to do next. That often means that they procrastinate. Because when you don't know what to do or you don't like doing something, you procrastinate. Suddenly, it becomes imperative that you clean the office, or that you clean out the kitchen, or that you take your dog for a 5-mile walk. Just anything other than the task that you don't want to do. So when your team doesn't know perhaps the expectations, they kind of have a fuzzy idea, but they don't know exactly what those expectations are, not only may they feel frustrated, they may procrastinate on those documents, which means you're going to miss deadlines. If your organization doesn't have any concrete, specific written down standards, well, then of course the team is going to struggle to write documents in a timely fashion. That's where our PROS Communication Diagnostic comes in. We figure out why it's taking too long to get those documents out the door, and we provide you with solutions to fix the problems. Life's too short to write poorly, so make sure to give us a call at 877-249-7483 or email us at info@hurleywrite.com.